Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Today we have started a Pega training new batch. I hope all of you have attended today's demo class, day 1 demo class. Today is an informative session that we have conducted. Today I have told about what is Pega and what is its use. After that, I have given information about complete details about how the training process would be. And today I have told about the training duration and what we will cover, what we will provide during this training program to the student. All that has been covered. So as told in the demo, we provide you theory documents, practical documents with screenshots and daily recorded sessions and daily class running notes, audio recordings of some technical topics, all technical topics, and audio recordings of real interviews, and also resume preparation help, and even few other things which I have given information in today's session. If any one of you are not able to attend today's demo class due to some reasons, I request you to watch the demo video that we have conducted, which is recorded and uploaded into YouTube, for which the link will be shared on your WhatsApp. If you have missed today's demo class, no problem. From tomorrow onwards, you can attend. So tomorrow demo will be the demo which is related to Pega environment and BPM and architecture of Pega. So I request all of you not to miss the demo session tomorrow at any class. Today is like an introduction session, which is an informative session. Tomorrow's session will be related to our Pega course. So please never miss tomorrow's session at any cost. And also, because it is morning 7 o'clock, I think some people were not able to attend due to some reason. But please understand one thing, the session that we have now, batch, Pega next batch will be after 1 month only. There won't be immediate batches that we are going to conduct. So please do not miss this batch at any cost. Kindly attend it. Morning 7 o'clock is just the best time for anyone. Even students from USA, it is the best time slot for you to utilize. And people from India, also this is the best slot for working employees or anyone else. Just one thing is, you just have to wake up on time and connect on time. And online students, I have observed that many students have connected after 7:15 like that. Maybe they would have thought like, because it is day 1, they might be waiting like that, but there won't be any such waiting. Definitely, everyday session will begin on dot 7 o'clock. So I request all of you, please make sure you connect to the meeting 5 minutes before the session begins. That is 6:55 a.m. you connect, and classroom students, please be available in the class by 6:55 a.m. itself. Okay, that's what I am requesting all of you. And kindly continue to attend tomorrow. Online students, the meeting link will be same. There is no change. Same meeting link you use for tomorrow also. Classroom students, come to the classroom. And those who have connected online for today's session, if you would like to come to classroom from tomorrow, you are welcome. You can come and attend. Okay. And online students also, if anyone wanted to switch to classroom, you can switch. Classroom students, if you want to switch to online, you can switch. We have the hybrid model. Any student can change between the online and classroom course. That is allowed. Okay, given you are going to inform us. Okay, you can switch on any emergency, something like that. Okay, I hope today session you have clearly understood the process. Today I also told about post training program. That is also very, very important. So I will give you more details about the same going forward. Please fully focus on this to learn the best out of best in Pega. That's very, very important. Okay, thank you for joining today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye.